So my experience as a parent, I've learned that my child can learn in different ways instead of just the old school textbook way. She's building projects. She's more in tune with herself and her artistic ways. She's actually grown as an individual to be able to speak for herself, to advocate for herself.
My kids both started in kindergarten. The real world application of their projects has been exciting to see.
It's been very rewarding to have my daughter attend High Tech Elementary Explorer, and it's been incredible to kind of watch her growth. She's intellectually curious, she's passionate about her work, she's gained immense confidence just through the various learning that they do at the school.
I had worked with High Tech High juniors through their internship experience for a number of years, and I've been wowed by the executive skill development and real world applications of project-based learning. To have that for my own kids was thrilling, and the experience has been incredible.